today I'm going to fight my brother.
Cosas se dan a tu tiempo
So
y a
let's
tu
get
modo.
started.
Algo, espérate. No,
Golly. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, tough guy? What? You give up?
For those of you that don't know, Ernesto is the youngest one. The other one is Christopher. He's the oldest one. Youngest brother versus oldest brother. Ding ding, part 2.
I know what makes you mad.
What?
Oh, yo no tuve miedo.
Stop it.
That was him.
Stop it.
¿Qué pasó, Chema?
Gotta hit you.
Oh. He got.
Gotcha. What you gonna do?
Right? I kind of enjoy it.
Yeah. You have no powers. No powers. Stop it. You give up? Huh?
Sneak attack. Now, a kick in the face. Kick in the face. Let's kick him. That's all I can do, people. I'm tired.
Stop it.
I cansé de verdad.
I don't like you. T. Pero no puedo ver el video. Me cansé de verdad. T, I win.
Show you my cheeks now. Never mind.
What you gonna do? Are you a tough guy?
Shut up.
What? Who's gonna shut up? Huh? Are you gonna shut up?
Your face.
What? Did you give up?
No. Almost.
Oh, I got something for you. Go.
Oh,
You need to go and get me some water. Go get me some water.
no.
Get me some water. Go ahead, tough guy. What?
Take him down, Gooby. Take him down.
What you gonna do, T?
Gooby, ground and pound. Post up and punch him.
Now with your stupid kisses.
Gooby, punch. Come on, Ernesto. You can do it. Punch, Ernesto, punch. There you go. Ground and pound. Tell him to tap out. Kick him in the balls.
No puede hacer eso en el canal.
Oh, sorry.
Nene.
Jeremy!
That's who he's calling. He's over there. He doesn't care.
You give up? What?
That's who he was calling. He doesn't give a shit. And that's him over here. Oh shit! Armbar, armbar, armbar. Did you tap? Did you tap? Did you tap out? Did you tap out? Did he? Is he? He's tapping out. He's tapping out. He's tapping out. Ernesto. Ernesto, you won. You won. You won, Ernesto.
But for the finishing touch.
For the finishing touch.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Wow.
Stay down.
This kid is pretty sadistic.
Stay down.
Oh, the winner
No,
by
no.
tap out, Ernesto.
Come on here, Jamie.
What?
He can't. He's doing dishes. And the fight is brutal. Dana White, take note, Dana White.
Ah, it's a nice.
Dana White is the next George St. Pierre.
Well, bye
Uh-oh.
guys. See you
Uh-oh.
next time. Why? Ow! Ow! Ow!
By the way, guys, this is Ernesto. This is Christopher. Christopher, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the fans. Say hi to Ernesto's fans. Okay, he's not going to say hi to Ernesto's fans because they're still fighting. Guys, we say goodbye. Ernesto won by tap out, and the other one is a sore loser. Bye.